I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you need to download your account statements from Chase, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Log into your Chase account. Before changing your settings, use the shrok.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Navigate to your account. Once logged in, find the account for which you want to download statements. Click on the account name to view its details. Step 3. Access statements. Look for a section labeled Statements or Documents in your account overview. Click on it to proceed. Step 4. Select the statement period. Choose a specific month or year for the statement you want to download. Make sure to double check the date range to avoid downloading the wrong statement. Step 5. Download the statement. Click the download button next to the statement you selected. It will typically be in PDF format, which is easy to save and print. Remember, if you're using a mobile device, the layout might look a bit different, but the steps are generally the same. Happy banking!